Hey there, Airsoft enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the top 10 Airsoft guns for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned player or just getting started, I've got you covered with picks that are realistic, accurate, and affordable. Let's get into it. First up, we have the Tokyo Marui M4A1. This bad boy is known for its exceptional realism, featuring a full metal body and a weight that feels just like the real deal. Its high-quality inner barrel and hop-up subsystem make it super accurate, perfect for close to medium-range skirmishes. It's on the pricier side, but you get what you pay for in terms of build quality and performance. Next, the G&G CM16 Raider. This one strikes a great balance of realism and affordability. With a polymer body and metal internals, it feels solid without breaking the bank. It's consistently accurate and reliable, making it a top choice for both newbies and experienced players. Moving on to the F.W.A. LM4 PTR. This gun's full metal body and realistic weight make it almost indistinguishable from a real AR-15. It's known for its exceptional accuracy and range, a favorite among competitive players. Priced in the mid-range, it offers a fantastic balance of quality and affordability. Then there's the ICS CXP UK1. With its full metal construction and split gearbox design, this gun is the real deal. It's reliable and precise, perfect for both casual and competitive play. It's also mid-range in price, giving you good value for money. For those ready to splurge a bit, the VFC Avalon Saber is a top pick. Its full metal body and realistic weight distribution make it a beast. The accuracy and range are top-notch, a favorite among the pros. It's on the higher end, but totally worth it for the quality you get. The classic Army CA416 is another excellent option. It offers a good mix of realism and affordability with its polymer body and metal internals. Consistently accurate and reliable, it's a hit among beginners and seasoned players alike. Now, let's talk about the Crytac Trident CRB. This highly realistic gun features a full metal body and accurate weight distribution. Its precision and range are exceptional, making it a go-to for competitive play. It's a bit pricier, but justifies every penny. On the more affordable side, the Lancer Tactical LT19. With a polymer body and metal internals, it offers a realistic feel without the hefty price. Consistent accuracy and reliable performance make it a favorite among beginners. The Elite Force H&K 416 CQB is next. This mid-range gun is highly realistic, featuring a full metal body and weight distribution similar to the actual H&K 416. Known for its accuracy and range, it's a solid choice without breaking the bank. Finally, the ASG CZ Scorpion Evo 3A1. This highly realistic submachine gun is a favorite among competitive players for its accuracy and range. It's mid-range in price, offering great quality and performance. So, there you have it, the top 10 Airsoft guns for 2024. Covering realism, accuracy, and affordability. Whether you're on a budget or ready to invest, there's something here for everyone. Drop a comment below with your favorite Airsoft gun, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Airsoft content. Stay safe, and happy Airsofting!